Good morning, guys. It is Monday, week 2 of my Insanity challenge. Now, I didn't get a chance to do Insanity today because my daughters had to wake up early and a bunch of stuff happened. So, also my wedding from today got canceled. So, I gotta finish some weddings that are due today, and then I'm gonna start doing the workout. I don't like doing it in the middle of the day, but it's better than not doing it. And also, let me show you what I'm gonna eat for lunch. Okay, so this is some invention that I made. I just took some meatballs, some frozen meatballs that I had. I didn't know how to use them, so I just put them in a pan, threw some cheese, some pepperoni, and some tomatoes, like canned tomatoes, and it has mayonnaise and sriracha on top. It's just a crazy invention, but it's super keto friendly, high on fat, and it's I can smell it and it's gonna be really good. I also got some peanuts, spicy peanuts that my mom brought. She actually brought of about a pound, and we finished it right away. So then she had my sister mail us 10 pounds.
Yo no quiero. Yeah, esto es mamá.
Rie, te quiero mucho, Rie. I love you, Rie. Te quiero mucho, Risa. Mucho, 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 mucho. Alright, guys, today is Tuesday night, and this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. I got some leftover meatballs and hamburgers. Got a salad. I got a tuna salad. I got some thinly cut pork with onions and some cauliflower. Morning, guys. It is Thursday, and I just finished doing my insanity routine. I skipped on Monday and Wednesday. Wednesday because I had an early wedding. Monday because I was being lazy. So now I gotta catch up. So I'll probably do a second one later on today, and then instead of taking Sunday off, I'll do the last one there. Good afternoon. It is Thursday. I think it's Thursday, and I just finished shooting a wedding. I'm gonna eat some leftover Mexican style pork rinds, and then the cucumber that I bought on Sunday was starting to go bad. I guess my mom's saying that it's better to keep them outside of the refrigerator, and so I just cut it up, and I'm gonna eat that for lunch. And I got some editing to do, so I'll check in later on. How's it doing, guys? So I decided to start kind of vlogging on the meals that I cook. I just kind of randomly come up with recipes just based on what I have in the refrigerator. You can go. So I think for today, I'm defrosting some ground beef. Espérate, okay? Okay, espérate. Right now I'm defrosting some ground beef, and I'm gonna cut it up with some green chili peppers, and I might throw some of these bean sprouts in there and just kind of make it into like a chili, right? And then on the side, I'm gonna have some broccoli, maybe with some olive oil, salt, pepper, something like that. And then obviously a Cobb salad, and I boiled some eggs earlier, so I can top it with some eggs. Hey guys, the last couple of days after I've gotten home, I've been kind of sleepy and tired, and so I wasn't sure what it was, but it was weird because in the morning I had lots of energy, I felt good, and so I started thinking about all the food that I was eating, and I realized that the peanuts that my mom brought, I've been eating a lot. So like today I got home, I ate some leftovers, and I ate some about a cup and a half of peanuts. And then I remember that peanuts do have carbs, that I kind of forgot how much. So then I Googled it, and a cup and a half is about 42 grams of carbs, somewhere on there. And so no wonder when I started cooking dinner, I felt sleepy. At first I thought maybe it was the smell of food, but it turned out to be the peanuts. And so I just got to be careful with that. Again, it doesn't matter how long I've been doing it, I still make mistakes. So lesson learned. Now I got to watch how much peanuts I eat, but they're so good. The peanuts are so delicious. But I gotta watch that. So I just want to let you guys know.
He just brought the chair for the silly chair. Honey bunny.
Please give me patience to put up with this girl right here. She's acting crazy.
Not yet.
Okay. It's dinner time, and we got some leftovers and a little stir fry. Let me show you. That's a real simple stir fry with some sausage, bacon, and onions. A salad. It has both lettuce and cabbage. That's leftovers from yesterday. Beef with cheese and green peppers. And then this is like a really old frozen okonomiyaki. And some old ribs frozen too. And then I actually got a pizza in the oven. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning and I'm on my way to buy some groceries. This is gonna be the second day where I intentionally go grocery shopping while trying to memorize the price of all the keto food that we buy. And that way we can save money for the trip and everything. This last year we've been trying to minimize and save money, and I kind of slipped a little bit and I wasn't paying attention, and we were just regurgitating money. It was just there was so much money going out for food, groceries, junk, and obviously it defeats the purpose of trying to be minimalist and trying to save. Just in the past few months, we've been spending over $2,600 in groceries, which is insane. I was trying to keep my budget under $750, and I just kind of forgot. I just got my mind into a bunch of different things, YouTube and everything. That's why my vlogging hasn't really been that consistent. So I've been actively researching prices for all the food that we buy, which makes it a lot easier for us because we're on keto, and so that limits the amount of food that we can buy anyways. And so it shouldn't have been a problem from the beginning, but it has definitely become a problem. So I did a bunch of research this whole week. I got spreadsheets with prices from different markets. Luckily, I have a military ID. I'm still in the military, so I'm gonna go to the commissary first because that offers the biggest discounts as far as small items and some vegetables and stuff. The other one is gonna be Costco, so I'll go to commissary first. Go to Costco. I'll buy stuff from that's bulk and cheap. So that's the mission for today. I did wake up and I did Insanity. I didn't put as much intensity into it as I should have. So I got to work on that, and I also didn't do Insanity 3 times this week, which again defeats the purpose of this Insanity challenge. So I got to make it up. I got to work tonight at a photo booth, so I can't do it later on since I got to go get groceries, cook dinner, and then go to work. Tomorrow I'll try to do 2 workouts and then go grocery shopping for the remainder of the items, and then maybe to go on a run. And so that'll catch me up. And yeah, it's been kind of busy, even though I've just been kind of sitting around in front of the computer, newspapers and all that. It's been kind of busy for me. So all right, so I'll check it with you guys in later. Let me go get these groceries first. Hey guys, it is Saturday dinner time. I gotta eat and then run because I got a party I gotta go to. They rented the photo booth. So let me show you what I'm gonna eat. So as always, I got some salad going on. I baked, roasted the chicken. That's the onions and green peppers and mushrooms underneath. Some broccoli, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. So it's Sunday morning, and we woke up early. I didn't do my workout, which is a failure so far for this week. But I'll make sure I do something later on. Maybe you can go run. But Meg started making some tofu donuts. So let me show you how that looks. All right, so she made the dough with some type of soybean powder and some tofu. And then she's frying it in coconut oil and a little bit of olive oil. She's frying that. And then it's a little bit dry, so we found that if we put some of this sugar-free syrup, so we dip it in the sugar-free syrup, move it around a little bit. Okay, and then we dip it in some coconut flakes, and it gives it some kind of moisture, or it just tastes a little bit better. So, boom, right there, keto donut. Remember, soybean is high on protein, so make sure that you know, if you're eating these, don't eat too much, or you're working out, going to the gym, so your body's using that protein and not just turning it into sugar. That looks good. All right, I'm gonna enjoy some of these. Bye. Hey guys, so we're getting ready to go outside for Family Sunday, and what I did is I took yesterday's leftover. I did the chicken, right? And so I told Mego not to throw away the bones, and so I'm throwing all the leftover chicken, the bones, the fat collected from the bottom of the baking pan, and I just added some coconut cream, some Parmesan cheese, and a couple of extra spices, and I'm just gonna leave it running on low until we come back. That should take most of the nutrition or nutrients out of the bone, and then I'll take the bone out and make it into like a soup or something. So that's gonna be dinner for tonight. It's a good way to use leftovers, especially when you're dealing with bones, because it can soften it up. And so yeah, we'll see how it tastes. I don't even know. I've never done that before, so I don't even know if it's gonna be good or not. But I'll let you guys know later on.
You can come back and get a free spin.
Oh, okay. Nice. One more. Oh.
Same color or different color?
Oh, digital, because it tells you how many times you jump. Oh. You want to try? Spin again. Spin again.
Is there something else you want? Want the yoga ball?
Don't you want the wrist?
Spinner? Aren't they? Alright.
Yeah.
Home pace that lights up. So when you go jogging, you don't get hit by a car.
Oh, it lights up. Oh, nice. Pick something. We're okay. Hey, get another yoga ball then, so we have two. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so it's Sunday dinner time, and then we're going to do some yakiniku. Let me show you what we're going to eat for dinner. Here we got salad. We got bitter melon. We got yakiniku. We got some pizza, leftover pizza, some chicken, slow cooked chicken, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.